Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about the crypto on-ramp that's going to be coming to the animal farm. It's something that I'm very excited about, and if you guys remember, we've talked about it a few months ago, but this week it seems like it's something that's going to actually be released. So let's talk about that in a little bit more detail. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about the Animal Farm on-ramp, and the reason why I called it the Animal Farm on-ramp is because we still don't have any drip capabilities for this specific on-ramp or off-ramp for that matter. But what we're being told is that drip is going to be worked on in the future because it's gate capped, because there's taxes that are a bit steeper, because of the referral system. I feel like it's something that's not going to be very easy for us to implement as an on and off ramp very soon. So, I mean, it's in the works. Hopefully, it's going to be available in the near future. But for now, at least, we get something that's a little bit more bullish for the entire ecosystem. And this is not going to be only for the animal farm. Because, for example, me right now, I want to DCA into some altcoins and blue chips, but I'm going to wait till Thursday until this is live before doing so. So let's dive into it in a little bit more detail. So Forex had an AMA a couple days ago, and he said that the on-ramp is actually 100% working and ready to go. So this is something that I'm very excited about because it's been a while we haven't got an exact date. So the fact that he said it's 100% ready and it's ready to go and it's this Thursday, it's just getting me a bit more excited. So he said the API keys are going to be ready and given to him by Tuesday, which means the codes that are going to be implementable on the website for the button to appear so that we can do all the interaction with the contract. That's going to be ready by Tuesday, and the release day should be ready by Thursday. And I was honestly anticipating him saying it's going to be ready by Tuesday, but we're going to mark it for another week or two before releasing it. But he just said Tuesday, and then Thursday is going to be release date. And the reason why I'm so bullish about that is because it's going to allow you to buy BNB, BUSD, AFP, AFD, and from the screenshot and video that he showed us on the live session on YouTube that was Friday, he actually showed it. Like he showed a full transaction. I'm going to show that video to you guys in a bit, but he actually showed that there's a bunch of other coins. And what he said was, we're going to be offering that as a service to other projects. And then for every transaction, they will implement on their own website to get their own tokens. That's going to be very bullish, eh? To get their own tokens, we're going to be getting a fee from that. So guys, just imagine the Arbitrum token right now, because it's been so popular. The Arbitrum blockchain has been killing it. Crazy money flowing over there. If the ARB token is available on this off-ramp and on-ramp, what could happen is a lot of people that want to get the ARB token straight from their bank account or straight from a credit card, they can do it directly on our website. And because of the heavy traffic, of Arbitrum, we could have a lot of fees coming into the ecosystem in that way, right? So this is something that's going to help a lot of money flow back into the ecosystem. Hopefully, a lot of it is in BNB, BUSD, so that it allows to add more liquidity into our platform, which hopefully is going to help build a solid floor in the future, help build AFP and AFD prices go back up in value. And this is also going to help us get a bit more known in other projects, because when other projects know that they can buy their own token on the animal farm on ramp, it's going to help people introduce them to our ecosystem, what the dog pound is, what the pig pen is, what the garden is, what the piggy bank is. And hopefully a lot of these games are going to help get more people back and involved in the ecosystem, a bit more engaged, if you will. Yeah, so that's what I wrote here. Helps people get more engaged, and it's going to be technically a revenue stream, as Forex said, because the more people that get introduced to the ecosystem, the more fees are going to be involved in those transactions. The more money is going to be flowing back into to other games into our ecosystem, and the more people use it, the better chances there are that people are going to stick around. And there's actually another project called, never mind, I forgot what it was, but there was actually another project that I read about earlier that was able to increase their revenue on their platform by 48% because they use an on ramp. So it's going to be very good, guys. 18% of those people that came in stuck around. So that's a lot of money flowing back into ecosystem. And I hope this happens similarly over here, because that's going to help add more green candles on the charts, more activity, and in the future, hopefully, that's going to help catapult us and help the price of drip as a result of all of that. You know what I mean? And the biggest point that I think is going to help a lot of people use our on ramp and off ramp is that there's going to be no KYC. And I've mentioned this on the Mega Live on Saturday, if you guys tuned in on DeFi Strategies YouTube channel. But essentially, what I do right now in Canada, it's a bit different. I have to use an app to be able to buy Bitcoin Ethereum. There's no other way to buy Bitcoin Ethereum. I have to take that Bitcoin Ethereum and then send it to Binance or crypto.com or whatever other centralized exchange. And from there, I have to transfer that to my MetaMask, right? So you would have to do a KYC no matter what, so that you can get some cryptocurrency. And to be fair with you guys, I'd rather use less and less KYC as possible. So this is going to allow people to have more privacy and give less information and be more anonymous and unknown. Similarly, that's why the token Monero is very popular, because a lot of people that don't want to know what's going on with their profits and their revenues, they use Monero as a means of hiding their anonymity. So the no KYC is going to be a big factor to get more people involved and get more of their funds in here. There's a lot of different projects that don't allow you to, there's a lot of different countries that don't allow you to create any crypto accounts on centralized exchanges, right? Because those exchanges might be blocked in certain countries like Turkey or Iran or whatever, where there's a lot of dictatorship. This is going to allow people to get involved and buy straight without having to go through that KYC. When Forex showed the purchase of AFP that he did, we can see that he could use Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and there's a lot of other like MoonPay, for example, other services that are available. So I'm very excited to see how this is going to work out. As soon as it's available on Thursday, I'm going to be making a video, hopefully available for Friday, show you guys exactly how that's going to turn out. I'm going to be making a purchase live and see if that works. It's going to be super exciting, guys, and this is going to basically be the new way I'm going to be buying my BNB and BUSD, so that I can transfer it directly from my MetaMask to other platforms without having to do that whole 15-minute process to get my coins on my MetaMask. What's next? So he said that the off-ramp is not ready yet, but the off-ramp is in the works. So this is essentially going to be a first step in getting the on-ramp. And if you guys know my opinion on these matters, I always like it when a project starts launching things and then develop as times go on. People are seeing that there's developments that are happening. It's better to have a good product rather in time than having a great product 10 months later, you know? And for him to be able to release the off-ramp right now for the community to start using, allow more capital to come back into the ecosystem, and then eventually have the off-ramp available so that we can take our money out and then use it in the real world, that's bullish. And, you know, he said it's in due time. I don't mind that. You know, it can come whenever it has to come. And the fact that we can preload our prepaid cards is actually even better. That way the money doesn't have to go into your bank account. You could just use it with your prepaid credit card. So guys, this is super cool, super bullish. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, if you guys are excited about this feature. So let me transition now to the video that Forex did. I'll show you guys that small little clip, and from there I'm gonna close out the video.
So, as you can see, I'm clicking on credit card here. It offers Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard. These are some of the assets. You can see the main assets it supports, and really it's all the main assets and then our two assets. So currently it's you know, there's no other like altcoins that aren't, I would say, top 20 altcoins that are being allowed to be bought through this. That's what I mean by this is not something that every other project has access to. It's literally only us at this point. And from the conversations that I've had with this bank, most likely anybody else that is going to be using the service is going to be someone that we're bringing on, we're onboarding and making a percentage of. So I'm going to type in AFP, but you can see AFP and AFD are supported here. I'm going to buy 20 euros worth. Okay. I'll just pick a marketing wallet that we have. Okay. Now, pick Visa. Processing the card. When we were doing this, okay, let me just share a little more of the screen here. So right now it's saying transaction being processed. And then what it's going to do is it's going to contact basically the Visa card, ask for approval. Going to approve it. It's like a 3DS security system. See, congratulations, transaction went through. Alright, so we just bought 20 euros. Alright, and now it says transaction complete. To view transaction on the blockchain, you can just click here, click blockchain. I'm going to do that. Click blockchain. And now it takes us to BSC scan.
So you guys just saw it. This was the exact transaction that Forex did live in front of everybody. He was able to make that transaction. He posted the transaction hash on Telegram. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I feel like this is going to be something that's going to be able to drive a lot more capital in the ecosystem. It's getting me excited. The only thing is I really hope it does launch on Thursday. If it doesn't, it's going to be a piss off. But I hope it's going to be launched on Thursday, and I'm excited for that. Forex said he's not going to be giving a date unless he's 100% sure that the date is going to be stuck by, that he's going to be able to keep that date, you know? So, guys, let's see if that's actually going to be the case. He said there's a lot more information coming out this week, so hopefully that's the case. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, if it does get released on Thursday, I'll see you guys on Friday with a transaction that's going to be done live.